Alright guys, and this is our official teaser look to the Samsung Galaxy M20 and the Galaxy M10 with brand new Infinity U display coming later this month. You can also call it teardrop or drop notch, but then the same thing. Now taking a look at the smartphone teaser, it looks Samsung is going nearly bezel-less. I mean, if you compare the same with the Redmi Note 7, which was announced a few days back, the notch and the bezels look really slim. While on the other hand, the Redmi Note 7 has somewhat huge bezels on top. I'm quite surprised to see Samsung is using the same design language as the OnePlus 6T, I mean the premium design. And according to the latest reports, all these three smartphones will be getting official Pi with Samsung's One user interface later this year. So that's nice. I think at this point Samsung is pretty serious about the software and security patches. The good news is we also know about the pricing, and this is from a reliable source. So the Galaxy M10, which is coming with the same Infinity U display, Exynos 7870 processor and a single rear camera, will arrive starting 9,500 Indian rupees, and that is $134 US. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy M20, which is coming with a better Exynos 7885 processor, lies between Snapdragon 660 and 636 in terms of performance, and a 5000 mAh of battery. Dual rear cameras will be priced starting 15,000 Indian rupees for the base variant, and that's almost $215 US. That's literally a sleek pricing. This information is right. Samsung is back again to destroy the competition, and I mean it. The final pricing may differ, things may change before the final announcement, it can be low or high, and there is no need to wait longer cause we also know about the launch. So Samsung will be announcing the Galaxy M10 and M20 later this month, that's last week of January 2019. While the M30, which is a premium model coming with triple rear sensor, will arrive in early March 2019. So basically at this point you are getting only two Samsung smartphones this month, the M10 and M20. Let me know which one would you choose. Also you will see the speed test and camera comparison between the M20, Max Pro M2, the Redmi Note 7 and Moto G7 right on my channel. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.